If cryptocurrency is digital money, then blockchain is the technology that makes it all possible. But what is it exactly? Let's break it down in a way anyone can understand. Imagine a blockchain as a notebook or ledger that keeps track of every transaction. But instead of being stored in one place, copies of this notebook are shared with thousands of computers all over the world. Each time someone sends or receives cryptocurrency, it's written into this notebook as a new block. These blocks are linked together in the exact order they happened. That's why it's called a block plus chain. Once something is written in the blockchain, it can't be changed. Every computer checks if the new block is valid. If someone tries to fake a transaction, the other nodes reject it. This makes blockchain very hard to hack or manipulate, even for big companies or governments. Let's say Alice sends 1 Bitcoin to Bob. That transaction gets written into the next block. The block is shared with everyone in the network. Everyone agrees it's real. And the chain continues. It lets people trust each other without a middleman. It keeps records public and honest. It works 24/7 across the whole world. Blockchain is the invisible system that powers Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. It's like a super smart notebook that everyone can trust and no one can cheat.